You are looking at my brand new vintage Brother knitting machine. It's a gift from a friend, and I want you to look at how she packed it, because this is the only way I know to be reasonably sure something's going to reach its destination unharmed. Of course, the turquoise underneath the crinkly stuff is the original case. Even when they're in good condition, though, the hinges can pop off and open under the stresses of travel. So my friend wrapped it in cling wrap several times, it looks like. Cardboard blocks and foam pieces. Each end was padded with these blocks and with the foam pieces, so that when dropped on its end, as they frequently are, the case would not take the impact. Then below the machine, in a much larger box, she put this heavy insulating foam. Looks like the kind you would use to get good insulation on a thick wall. Multiple layers of bubble wrap wrapped the already cling wrapped machine, and it was tucked in, and above it, before putting the top on, another piece of foam. Arrived in good shape, but look at this. Signs that it was stressed by being put on its end and jostling or even dropped. But the box and the foam took all the stress. You can imagine what would have happened had the case taken that stress. Of course, you can insure your package, but even if they give you tons of money back, if you got a vintage machine and that's what you wanted, the money doesn't help all that much. These days, we try to avoid shipping machines, but if you find that you're in a position that has to be done, use this as an example.